Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Good morning, and this is your computer class, and I am going to deliver you the computer lesson today. So due to the weather condition, you cannot come to the school and you need to prepare your lessons and listen to the lessons carefully on your cell phones. Okay, you need to do the task that we gave you, and you need to perform your homeworks on notebooks. You need to do the classwork on the notebooks. So you also need to prepare the lesson. You also need to carefully and promptly listen to the lesson carefully. Okay, so hope you are doing well. Okay, you have a good mood today because today is your day off. Now who will tell me what is the date today? Yes, Ibrahim told us that today is 6th November 2024. Now who will tell me what is the day today? Raise your hands. Yes, very good. Aisha told us that today is Wednesday. Okay? Next, today is in Arabic the day, the month and the day today is Shri Jumadal Awwal and Yawmul Arba. So this is your computer class. So I am going to write computer. So this is your computer class. So I am going to write computer, and we were on chapter number, unit number 4. And the name of the unit, who will tell me the name of the unit? Raise your hands. Yes, Yusuf, stand up and tell us what is the name of the chapter. Yes, the name of the chapter is Wiz Loves Word Processing. Well, so class, in the last lesson what we talked about, I am going to repeat the previous lesson. Okay, so you need to listen to me carefully. The first term that we learned, that was word processing. So raise your hands. Who will tell me what is word processing? Yes, Amna, stand up and tell us what is word processing. Yes, very good. So word processing is used to, it is a program that is used to type, edit, format text, and create document. So word processing is a program which is used to type, edit, format text and create a document. You can create your own document if you want to make a document about whether you are writing a story, a poem or a letter, and you need to make a document of that specific particular sentence, particular letter, then you need to create a document. Okay, this is word processing. Now, what was the second term that we learned? Yes, text. So, who will tell me what is text? Yes, Arham, stand up and tell us what is a text. Very good. A text is the letters that we type on the document are called text. The letters that we type on the document are called text. So let's move forward to our next term, our next heading, which was document. So who will tell me what is a document? Yes, a document can be anything. It can be a poem, it can be a letter, it can be something giving to the other person. Okay, you prepared a document, you write all of the things that you want to send, that you want to share it to someone. You are writing a letter to your teacher, then you write what you write so class, what is the document? Document can be anything. It can be a story, it can be a poem, and it can be a creative. Okay, the story that we are writing, for example, all the letters are not gold. You are writing this story and you write all of the story, then it has created a document. Okay, you name the specific file that it is a story. Then the document that you have created, it is a document. Okay, the story, poem, letter that we have created, the sentences and phrases that we have written in the document, that we create is document. Okay, so hope all of you guys have understood this concept. Next we will move, you need to tell me what are the softwares in word processing program. Raise your hands who will tell me. Yes, Arkham, stand up and tell us what are the programs used in word processing software. Yes, name some common programs that we used in word processing software. Yes, right. So, the first program is Microsoft Word. The second is Notepad. And the third one is WordPad. There can be many other softwares that such as InPage and other softwares. So we use these common. These are the most common word processing softwares. First one is Microsoft Word. It can be the version of 2010, 2017. It can be any version. Okay. The second one is Notepad that you have in your cell phones and in your computers. The third one is WordPad. WordPad is also very important in order to write something that is important for your information. Okay. So these are the softwares that are used in word processing programs. Okay students, now let's move forward to our next term, which was quick access toolbar. We have learned about it, remember? Now who will tell me the definition of quick access toolbar? Raise your hands, hurry up. Yes, Kanita, stand up and tell us what is the quick access toolbar. Right, very good, sit down. Quick access toolbar contain icons for a set of all important commands. So toolbar contains the most commonly used commands. Okay? It is the boundary in which the most commonly used icons are present and the important commands are present here. So whenever we need those commands, we go and click on these commands. We have a quick access. We do not need to search for these commands. We have a quick access on these commands. Okay. So next one is, what is a ribbon? Raise your hands. Okay. Umar, stand up and tell me what is a ribbon. Yes. Acha. The ribbon also contains all important commands. It contains all important commands we need to perform task. So ribbon is actually the boundary, as on page number 32, students, on page number 32 you have seen a picture on your box. Come to the page number 32, hurry up. Now on page number 32 you can see a picture in the book that in which it is written that this is the quick access toolbar and this is the ribbon. So a quick access toolbar, some important icons, okay, on which we have quick access. For example, if you want to undo your document, you can go quickly to the quick access toolbar and click on undo. Also it's goes same for this is the icon of copy. So whenever you need to copy something, you can go quickly on this icon and click on it. You can copy all the document, okay. And this is the icon of undo. So whenever you want to undo your text, you want to undo your document, you can go quickly and click on this, okay. Next is the ribbon. Ribbon is the boundary in which there are other important commands. For example, this is the command of paste. Ribbon also contains the commands of paragraphs, font and size. You can adjust your paragraph in so many contexts. For example, justified, left alignment, right alignment. Then you can change the font size of your text. You can raise it to 78. You can decrease it to 14, 12, 24. There are so many font sizes available. Also, you can change the font. For example, Times New Roman, Calibri, and there are so many other fonts. So this is the boundary that contains these important commands, and the boundary, we call this boundary as ribbon. The boundary is called as ribbon. Okay, class. Now let's move forward over today's important topic. So class, come to the page number 33 and we are going to learn how to open a Microsoft Word. So the first step is, if you want to open a Microsoft Word document, okay, you need to bring your pointer onto the start menu. Here you see the symbol of the start menu. You need to bring your pointer on this symbol and click on this start. Click on the start button. Click on start button. Then what is the second step? A menu will appear on the screen. Okay, a menu will appear on the screen. Now the third step is click on all programs. On the screen there is a menu, okay, on which it is written that click on all programs. You need to bring your pointer to this text that click on all programs and you need to click on this, okay. Now the fourth step is you will see a folder in which there is written Microsoft Word, okay. In Microsoft Word you need to go on to the specific software, specific program of Microsoft Word 2010. the word screen will open on your screen. Okay, the word menu will be, the word screen will open on your screen. Okay. Okay students, now let's read it from the book. Come to the page number 33 and we are going to read. To open a word processing program, bring the pointer to the start button and click on it. The start menu will open. Click on all programs, expand the Microsoft Office group. Select Microsoft Word 2010 and click on it. A new document will appear on the monitor. Now I am going to tell you these steps one by one with the help of their pictures. So now students, let's come to the diagram, to the picture. That your first step is you need to bring your pointer to the start menu. This is the first step. Okay, now let's move to the second step. So as students, you can see here that there is right here it shows click on all programs. You need to click on this icon, all programs. Okay, so this is your second step. In this menu that will appear on your screen, you need to click on all programs. Now let's move forward to our third step. So you can see here that in this Microsoft Office folder there are so many other Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word. So you need to go on the Microsoft Word 2010 and you need to click on it. Let's move forward to our fourth step. As you can see here, you need to click on Microsoft Word 2010 and this is your Microsoft Word 2010 and this command, this window will appear on your screen. Now students, come to the page number 35 and in order to save a document, what are the steps that you need to follow. So you can to save a document, click on the file tab. In this picture you can see at the top corner that there is file written. So you need to go on this file tab and you need to click on this tab. Next, a menu opens. Click on save or save as. So here you can see there is a menu that is appeared on your screen and you need to click on save as. Now this is our third step. A command window appears. Type a name for your document in the file name box and then click save. You can see when you click on save as, this command window will appear on your screen and you need to write the file name and you need to write your file name in the place of uses of computer. You can, if you have written a story, a poem or a letter, you can write story, poem or letter. So that will be the name of your document and then in the last step you need to click on save. Now students, if you want to exit a document, click on the file tab. A menu opens. Click on the exit at the bottom of the menu. Let me explain you with the help of the picture. To exit a document, click on the file tab. You can see here the file tab in the top corner. You need to go on to the file tab. In the file tab you can see a menu will appear and you need to go on to the exit button. You need to click on this exit and the window will close. So students, now you need to write your third question in your notebooks. Let's write the topic, question, answer. Question number 3. So this is your question number 3 and you need to write down this in your notebooks. So let me write the question. Write down the steps of Microsoft Word. So there you need to write the answer that what are the steps in order to open a Microsoft Word document. So raise your hands who will tell me. Yes, Arkham, stand up and tell us what are the steps of how to open a Microsoft Word. Yes, first you need to write to open Microsoft Word. Now I will give the steps one by one. Okay, so start writing and ready your page. First step is click on So now students, how to open a Microsoft Word? Now raise your hands. What is the first step of how to open a Microsoft Word and who will tell me? Raise your hands. Yes, very good. So Iman told us that in order to open a Microsoft Word, you need to click on Start button. In the next step, which is step number 2, you need to click on All Programs. Very good. Now, what is the third step? Raise your hands. Who will tell me? Okay. Yusuf, stand up and tell us what is the third step of how to open a Microsoft Word. Yes. Clap for Yusuf. He told us the right answer. That when you click on All Programs, the next step is click on Microsoft Office. Now, who will tell me what is the last step? Raise your hands. Yes. Sanya, stand up and tell me what is the last step of how to open a Microsoft Word. Yes, very good. You need to click on Microsoft Word 2010. Now let's give her a round of applause that she told us the right answer. Very good. So students, you can write here that click on All Programs. You can also write here that go to All Programs. This is it. So write down the answer. The first step is of how to open a Microsoft Word is click on Start button. The second step is go to All Programs. Third step is click on Microsoft Office, and the last step is you need to click on Microsoft Word 2010. So students, this is your diary that you need to learn the classwork. Thank you.